Adobe Photoshop Beta has added AI generative fill. It's not perfect, but it is going to change the way you see the world and maybe even change the way that you view me. To get the Adobe Photoshop Beta, you've got to have a subscription plan. Open up Creative Cloud, go to where it says Beta Apps on the left-hand side, and download Photoshop Beta. Now you will have the new AI generative fill. So I had this wonderful picture of a dancer. Unfortunately, it was vertical and I wanted to make it horizontal so it would fill the frame for a demo reel. How do I do this? Photoshop open. I want to hit the crop tool first. And I'm just going to drag the handle here to the right so I can fill in the frame. Then, using the rectangular tool, I go up here, I want to grab some of the sky, drag it all the way down, and then fill it in. It's going to ask me what I want. I just want to fill that in, so under generative fill, I type in sky. Let AI do the magic. And look at that, it perfectly blended the sky in. Let's try it on the other side as well. Hit the crop tool, drag it to the left, rectangle tool, and let's fill it in. Boom. This time, let's type in sky with clouds. Sky with clouds. And there you go. It has seamlessly matched the clouds and created a bigger picture so that we can now take this, drop it into a demo reel. I wanted to do something different, so after 50 years, I grew my hair out. I've always had the haircut of a banker, and I just wanted to see what it would look like if my hair was long. After 6 months, I went and took this photo. But now let's take that photo and see what we can do with it with AI in Adobe Photoshop Beta. So I went and selected just my face and the ears and the neck. Now let's hit the invert. And under generative fill, let's have some fun. Like type in the word dude. Let's see what it comes up with. Do you like my glasses? Oh my gosh, perfect. Look at that. And it's going to give me 3 choices. And it's even doing some things with my hair. But notice how it's blended in right down here with my neck. It's literally matching the lighting. Oh, that's funny. But it's not perfect. It didn't do a really good job up there. So let's go and type in another one. How about Star Wars? And it's going to give us 3 options again. Star Wars, Star Wars, and Star Wars. The third one's my favorite. I didn't know I was this kind of person. Let's type in the word then, talk show host, and generate. There we go. Now we're getting some good AI here. Talk show host, talk show host. Oh, what's it done with my head? And of course, talk show host. But notice, it added a jacket, it added a microphone, some kind of strange hands. That's weird. What would I look like if I was a vampire? That is a funny looking vampire, right? I like how it's created my arms crossed. Ooh, added on a lot of AI hair. Very curious. And finally, aha, a round bald vampire. I like this. This is really, really fun. Let's go to one of my favorite categories, rapper. What's the AI gonna make me look like if I'm a rapper? That is perfect. It looks like a young Vanilla Ice. Interesting, very interesting what it is doing here. Let's try a different variation on rapper. Let's use the word punk. Let's try Hogwarts. Next idea, let's try heavy metal. Let's try this. Professor. Excellent. Notice that it's matching the color on my neck. It's making my shoulders a little bit weird. But look, all in here is perfect. It added some chest hair, some words in the background, a lab coat. This guy has a chain, right, with no hair. And the last one I'm wearing, oh my. Wow, you just don't know what it's gonna do. This is absolutely fantastic. What's fun about doing this is you can type in a whole bunch of words for the generative fill, and if you look on the right-hand side, it'll go and save everything that you've looked for, which is quite a lot. You can have up to 60 of these before it'll say you've got to delete some of them to create new ones. But with 60 different AI things, that is plenty. What I liked about using the generative fill is just how creative it is, how you can take one photo and type in a bunch of different search words to get a range of outcomes that seem endless. Now, those outcomes aren't perfect and you could play around with them some more, but it really gets you thinking about how you can take one photo and then change that into multiple different looks depending on whatever your needs are. Once again, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe, like button. My name is Oliver Weah. We got more videos about videos coming your way. Keep taking photos, stay behind your camera, have fun with photography and film, and we'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna go type in a couple more words. Now I want to be a